All right, so inside of this little bag here is a wallet. So special thanks to the company who was nice enough to send this to me to unbox and show you all. There's a little box that it comes in, nothing on it. And then we can just push to slide it out. Oh yeah, got a little collection of their different wallets here. Nice contact information as well. And then in here is our actual AirTag wallet. So you can see, slide this off, you'd be able to fit in your cash. If you still carry cash, I can say I do not. Be able to fit all of your cards in here, 2, 3, 4, really 5, about 6 cards plus your ID. But a very, very nice leather feel, and it's super thin. I mean, it's barely the width of my finger. You put all your stuff in here. I mean, it'll be a nice, smooth wallet for you to use to keep all of your cards and your ID and your cash if you're still doing that. That is what would come inside of this if you were to order one of these. Thank you all for watching. Thanks again to the company for sending this to me to unbox and show you. And we'll see you in the next one. Deuces.